How to install two WhatsApp in one Android phone. So, in order to install two WhatsApp application, first of all you need to hop into Play Store. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. And then with the help of the search bar, you need to type in WhatsApp and find the app. As you can see that we have already installed one of the WhatsApp Messenger on our device. When you go back to a home screen, you will find one WhatsApp application already installed. So in order to install another WhatsApp as well, what you need to do is simply go to the settings on your device. Now, on this section, you need to simply tap on the search bar at top of the screen and you need to type for dual app or app cloner. So depending upon your device, the app cloner will have different name. So let's open app cloner. Now once you open it, you will reach on app cloner section, where on your recommended you need to tap on WhatsApp, and then you need to toggle the button on for creating app clone, and after a few seconds you will see that on your home screen the two WhatsApp application has been successfully installed on your Android device. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.